Alright guys, so today I am making some beef chili. Right now I am cooking, this is about 1.5, almost 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to cook it until it's almost brown, and then I'm going to add all my seasoning. I'll be back to the seasoning side. Add in our cumin. Gonna add in some onion powder. My ground beef into my crock pot. Next thing I'm going to do is add in my diced tomatoes. I did the diced tomatoes chili ready only because I've tried it before and it was perfectly fine to where I didn't have to add in any extra bell peppers or anything like that. And I added in 2 cans of that. It's about, it says 14.5 ounces, so that's how much I add in. And then I add in, how much is this? 12 ounces of the tomato paste. Okay, so I add in my tomato paste, and next you want to just mix everything up. Mix everything up. Then I'm going to add in my onion. Add in my onion. Mix that in. And then I'm gonna get 1 cup of water, only because I forgot my tomato paste. Well, not tomato paste. I forgot my tomato sauce. So I'm gonna end up using a cup of water and a package of some chili and seasoning pack. Alright guys, so I'm pouring in my cup of water, and then I'm going to add in my seasoning pack. You can use whatever kind of chili seasoning you like. It doesn't matter if it's off brand, it doesn't matter if it's on brand, whatever, it all tastes the same. If you have some cumin and some chili powder and stuff like that at home, you can just make your own chili powder. Check it out. I'll be back in about 45 minutes and I'll let y'all know how it looks.